Unraveling, That's Questionable, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English as easy and fun as possible. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard but could be a bit tricky to fully grasp. That's questionable. This phrase is a handy tool in conversations, but knowing exactly when and how to use it can elevate your English communication skills. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this intriguing expression. First things first, what does "that's questionable" actually mean? At its core, this phrase is used to express doubt or skepticism about something. When someone says, "that's questionable," they're not outright denying or rejecting an idea, statement, or fact. Instead, they're indicating that the matter at hand deserves further scrutiny or consideration because its validity, truth, or quality is not certain. It's a polite yet effective way of saying you're not fully convinced about something without being confrontational. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from questioning the reliability of information to doubting the quality of an item. To truly understand how "that's questionable" can be used, let's look at some examples. 1. In response to information, if someone tells you a fact that seems unlikely, saying, "that's questionable," suggests you think the information might not be accurate. For instance, he claims he can run a marathon in under 2 hours. That's questionable. 2. Regarding decisions or actions, when discussing someone's decision that seems unwise or risky, "that's questionable" indicates you doubt it was a good choice. Example, she decided to go hiking alone at night. That's questionable. 3. Evaluating quality. If the quality of an item or service is not up to par, this phrase can softly convey your dissatisfaction. The freshness of this sushi is questionable. Knowing when to use "that's questionable" is key. It's perfect for formal and informal situations alike, but the tone of your voice can significantly change its impact. In casual settings, it can be used more freely to express personal doubts. In formal contexts, it's a diplomatic way to express disagreement or call for further investigation. Here are some tips. Use it when you want to express doubt without causing offense. Pair it with reasons for your skepticism to foster constructive dialogue. Avoid using it in situations where it might be misunderstood as rude or too dismissive. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, "that's questionable." We hope this exploration helps you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, language is a tool for expression, and understanding nuances like this can make your communication more effective and nuanced. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English language learning. See you in the next video.